You don't know how to start braid? This video is yours. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, a mother of four. So today I'm showing you 4 different ways to start a braid. These are super beginning friendly and perfect for anyone struggling with how to grip the braid neatly from the start. So after you section your hair, the hair you are about to braid. So you are going to uh, line that hair into 3, like you are going to share it into 3, just the way I did mine now. So this is the first number 1 of this hair tutorial I'm going to show you. So after you finish sectioning it, if you want to use expression braid or you want to use wool, I'm using Brazilian wool for this tutorial. Okay, so after you cross it, you put your hand to cross it just the way I did mine now, and now you are going to hold the middle of these 3 you separated. Then the one inside your hand, you're going to pin it with the needle, with that one in the middle. Then there will be extra one outside. That one you're going to hold it with the other one at your right hand, and you cross your hand. Then the other one you put it along with the empty one inside. You see, now it's now into 3. Like the way I section it is just the way the hair enter by itself. Is very easy. I hope you get it the way I explain it and the way I did it. So one thing, when you are learning how to section, how to start a braid, it might not be that easy just the way I'm explaining it, but what you should do, you can just that's why I didn't just make this video fast. I make it as slow as possible. So when you are learning it like this, what you should do is, if you don't get it, backward it and restart again, and definitely maybe 2 to 3 times you will get it. All right, and when you grip the down is finished, you just keep doing it, just keep braiding it. So you see the way I'm doing it now. If you want it to be very neat, when you grip first, second, then start hiding the hair inside. If you want the hair to hide both in and outside, I'm going to also create a tutorial for that, the way the hair will not show. Yeah, if you look at the down this hair now, you see that it's showing. Well, I'm going to create a tutorial where you will just do it, the hair will not show both in and outside. Okay, what we are doing today is how to start a braid. Okay, so this is number 1. Let's move over to same thing. After you finish sectioning the hair just like so, I'm going to braid this one first. But if you cannot braid, since you are learning how to braid, and this particular one I'm making right now is someone that know how to braid already, or you cannot make neat hair, like you cannot weave neatly. Like if you are weaving, this hair will be showing. It's for someone that know how to do it already. So for you that don't know how to braid, you are learning, and this kind of one I'm making now is not yours. What you should do, you use rubber band to replace what I'm doing right now. So you will use rubber band to hold the hair from the root. Hold it tight as possible, but not too tight. So when you hold it tight, then you will now create it the same way I'm doing it now. So what you should do, if you want to make it neat, when you hold it tight as the rubber band, you use your edge control or styling gel to smoothie the hair, to give you this tiny hair, just like the way I weave it now, but to give you this tiny look. All right, if you hold it with rubber band, this is what you're going to do. Take your crochet pin, take it under the rubber band that you put on the hair. Let's say it's rubber that I use. Okay, then you will go to draw this hair under it. So, and this hair you are drawing under it now is going to be 1. You know, when you want to start a braid, you start it with 3 strands, right? So you're going to use this one now to cover the hair you use rubber band to hold. If you are using rubber band, yeah, like if you cannot weave it this way, see the way I'm covering it now, you cover it. Then you will take another one. That one is going to be the two parts. This one now is going to replace the third one. See, just like so. Put it under. Use your finger to press it down like so, and that one you hold before, you know, see, just take it. It's finished. See the way it is now. Just keep twist how do I say it? Just keep weaving it, just like so. You see, so this is how you do the number 2, just like this. So when you grip it from the beginning, you are done. Just keep doing it. Remember when I say if you want to do this strand very straight, you see, you hide it. When you cover it very well, it will not show. That's what I'm doing right now. You see, both in and outside, like the down of the hair and the up of the hair is not showing anywhere. That's because I covered this one. But the other one, I did not cover it because the tutorial I'm creating today is just how to begin it, okay? But you can also do this one along. So for you to hide it, for the hair not to show, is to hide the hair in one strands that you are weaving along. So this is the end of number 2. So let's go straight to number 3. So this one now, I'm going to cornrow it like somebody, like I'm going to weave it as somebody that don't know how to do it. So it's also like replacing the rubber band style, but I'm going to do it the way, like if you're not a professional, you don't know how to do it, the way you just do it, just like so. Just keep watching, see the way I do it. So after you apply gel, you know, if the hair is big before, which is the parting hair, it will be tinier. So that is why I applied gel on this one, for you to see the difference between this one and that one. So I end it here. Let's say for example you don't know how to weave. Okay, so now I weave it here. I'm going to leave it. Then I'm going to use the same method I used before, but this one is quite different from that one. So after you just try to weave it, or even still, you can still use rubber band if you cannot weave it. Then just use crochet to put the hair under it. Okay, I'm still going to create another tutorial where you don't need to use crochet to put hair, because some people, they don't know how to use crochet. Okay, and I just leave it a little bit longer because I saw that it was a bit too soft. So after you put the first one, then take another hair. Use this one like this. Take another hair and put it again under it, and it's going to be a 4 under these strands, just like this. So what you're still going to do is similar to the previous one we just finished right now, the second one. So you're still going to use the first one like this one. You see, you're still going to use it to cover it. The one you put first, use it to cover the hair. Then you use the other two, use it to form the style. So now we're going to raise our hands as if we are starting it like this. See the way I'm doing it now. So see, the way I started this one is different from the way I started the other one. So it's going to do it just like so. And when you are done, twist your hand back, take it, and make sure you are covering it well if you want it to smooth, like if you don't want the hair to show. So as you are twisting it, you're working with it along with it, and it will not show, just like so. So just keep doing it and you have gotten it. I hope you are following it well. So this is the third one. So let's make the fourth one. As usual, have you sectioned the hair you want to make? Yes. If you're sectioning it, hold it with your 2 fingers, which is your thumb and your index. Hold it very tight and take the hair, use it to twist it as if you want to do threading. Do it once, and the second time, which is like this, take it to your hand. Use your middle finger to pin it along with the hair. Then share it and use it to cover the hair if possible, just like this. So how you do it, take again, use it to wrap it, and you see the way I'm doing it now, just like this. You see? So this is the fourth one. And like I thought it's going to be 4, but I will end it here, and I'm going to create more. Or if you would like me to create more tutorial, also let me know. And if there's any hairstyle you want me to create, just let me know and I will do it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. for more hair tutorial, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So to my channel subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all. So now see the fourth one. So you see how the hair looks like. It doesn't look like I use it's long hair that I use colored to make. So I hope you learn how to make hair, how to start a braid, and how to make it neat. So if you learn something from this hair, from this tutorial, I want you to help me to share, like, and comment. Also, I want to know your opinion. What do you think about this hairstyle? Do you like it? So thank you so much, and bye for now.